Okay, hello, I'm Kendy and I will be talking about what we have learned from ethical hacking via Intigrity. So what is Intigrity? It is a platform for ethical hacking, so that means that they have some network of researchers who are, like, when you want them, they will try to hack into your product or into your web page and into like whatever like you ask them to do. We were lucky enough that the European Commission has chosen us to be part of that and give us the opportunity and the budget actually to get involved via Intigrity and get them like hacking the Collabora online. So like we had few calls with them, like how to set up the things. So we agreed like what is the target here, like how the researchers actually should be approaching that, what can they do, what is out of scope for them. So we have identified like what are the levels actually of the bugs that we are interested in, like what is like extremely bug that is like very serious for that, and what is actually like middle and what is actually low, and then we rolled it out. So this is like how the Collabora Online setup looks like in the Intigrity. The researchers are paid for their findings actually. So when they find something like very low, that is some mild or very small security bug in the Collabora Online, they will get like 250 euros. But like if they find something like extremely dangerous and like something that gives the document out, like they will get 5,000. So this is quite cool, right? Luckily, good news is that Collabora Online is secure enough. So there was no exceptional bug. So there was no bug that would like take over the document and or being able to see like other people's document or something like that. And we've got two critical ones, which is not ideal, but like not extremely bad. And even better news is that there is still some budget left. So like they found quite some bugs, but now they are unable to find anything else. So another good news is that like these kind of reports that we've got here were quite some funny. Like I will have few examples in the next slide. Unfortunately, like I cannot go into more details, but like most of them were like related to cross-site scripting. So giving the possibility to the attacker to somehow like mess with the JavaScript in the page. Not much, but still something. Like all the reports that the researchers gave us included some proof of concept of that, which was like extremely helpful in like identifying like how to do that. So they've done just really good job there. The main lesson learned from this is like always sanitize. So like there's a nice XKCD thing about this. Yeah, sanitize. That's good. So I cannot give you like very concrete examples, but like, it was mostly in the sense that like you do one thing, then another thing somewhere else, and then these two like combine together. When somebody like visits something, then like the dialogue appears. So like two examples. As I said, like I shouldn't go into too much details because we are still about to create CVEs for these and do the proper announcement of all these. Which will be done, but like so far I can tell you that like when you name the document some special way and then like you visit admin console and and the admin does something there and visits something, then they are able to show the dialogue that you have been accessed. And the other thing is like if you insert a comment, and you can do it in LibreOffice. insert a comment that again like contains some special things in that, then when the user like actually visits the document and clicks on the comment in some way, then well, yeah, again like you are able to show something. So it was like some nicely complicated scenarios that they found. So I think they deserve the money that they've got for this. Root of all evil here is the inner HTML. So always like there is a danger, like when you are developing JavaScript, think twice or 3 times like when you are using inner HTML, because like you have to be sure that it is sanitized, like what goes there. And yeah, overall, like I was very excited for this opportunity that the European Commission and Intigrity themselves gave us for this. It was like really pleasant to talk to the Intigrity people, pleasant to talk to the researchers, like when there was necessary to provide more information about things. They were doing like by themselves very good descriptions of the problem, and also like very good like reproduction steps, like even like with pieces of code that showed, or some of them even like pointed directly in the source code of Collabora Online, like yeah, so this is like what is causing the problem. So yeah, it was awesome. Thank you so much.